I'm just taking my red 124 for a drive. I've scheduled in half an hour to give it some exercise today. And one thing that I've always noticed when I'm driving it around is there is a vacuum hiss coming from that headlight area. I suspect I've either connected the vacuum hoses the wrong way around, or possibly one of the vacuum pods on the back of the headlights is ruptured. So I'm going to check that out tomorrow. It's getting quite annoying hearing that hiss every time I'm accelerating or decelerating. I can't really demonstrate it because there's so many other noises when you're driving. But yeah, we'll check that out tomorrow. And what red 124 video would be complete without a bit of the glorious sound of my hand-built M104 putting on a bit of a song. The sound comes up in the video, but I will try and record it anyway, and we'll check it out later. And why not some first gear start action as well. That's all the time we have for today because the rain has started and I don't drive my 124s in the rain. Especially my red one, which had quite a bit of rust to deal with before the paint job. Just to follow up on our mousy friend, the consumption of the poison in Red's engine bay seems to have slowed down, though an enormous amount has gone missing. I'm absolutely convinced that it's coming in from underneath the roller door, because there was some bait that I had placed nearby which is completely and utterly just gone. So I need to seal that hole up to stop my car getting destroyed. That's something else I'll do, but off camera.